Hi, in front of me is Lenovo K6 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, go into menu, find calendar and click on it. Now you need to click on this icon at the bottom right corner and just got it. Then tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're done, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, select event and customize it however you need to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by clicking on this filter next to all day. You can also set up notifications, take notes and even choose location. When you're done, just save at the top right corner and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to get rid of it, you need to tap on it, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select delete and confirm your choice by tapping on delete one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!